Welcome to Smashed Garage. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna wear this because I'm here all by myself. Anyways, welcome. And in the last video I've actually installed multifunction buttons in hope that my cruise control will start working, but that didn't happen, and today we will try to find out what was wrong and way of fixing it. Right now we are inside the car, and as I said in the last video, I found out some error codes, and these are the codes that I'm reading. The first thing is thermostat heater, which I think my thermostat is just toasted. Luckily it got stuck in open position, so my car is not overheating, anything like that, so that's good. The other one, which is more interesting to me, is misfire on cylinder number 6, and that's the thing we will be focusing ourselves today, because I think it's a bad coil, and that would mean that we can easily figure it out just by swapping the actual coil from a different cylinder and then testing it out. We are in front of car, and last code that was showing me is airflow meter, and we will focus on that later on. I'm hoping that I can clean the sensor out and it will be fine. It probably won't be, but we will try that. Anyways, let's hop on engine side, and we need to remove this cover to get to the coils. Pry these caps off, and one is farther back inside, and I think that I will actually have to remove this thing, maybe not. We will see as we go on. We got a couple 10 mils under those covers. It's out already, but I don't remove it. Oh, we don't have to. That's okay. These connectors are really simple to remove. All you need is to lift it up and they will pop right out. You can leave this out. I'm gonna switch the number 6 with number 1, just because it's right here. It really doesn't matter which one you swap. They just slide right out. Oh yeah, they just slide right out. So that's good. Our coil, and let's pull out the back one and swap these guys out. While I'm in here, I will probably take out one spark and see what conditions are they. So let me wiggle the last one out. And you can snug it out. So this is the last one. This is the number 6. I don't see like visible damage. I don't know. I'm not an expert or car engineer or something like that. I really don't know. But if I am correct, we should be getting error on cylinder number 1. But this was on number 1, so this should be fine. It's probably just some paint or something. Anyways, let's swap these out. That's not looking good at all. Look at her. She's toasted, man. Oh yeah, I need new spark plugs, definitely. It's not even original one, as you can see it's Bosch, so it's been replaced before. because the original ones are NKGs, if I'm correct. Maybe not. No, just swap these coils out and move on. So that's number. Yeah. And I'm surprised that they are not bolting, you know. I've seen other videos where they are bolts, maybe older models. Let's put the cover back on. I wasn't sure which one, but they are good. Like this. That was actually much easier than I thought, and all we need to do is clear the codes, go for a ride and check the codes again. If they're in misfire or number 1, we know our coil is bad. If it's not, well, click on error and clear error memory. Yes, here it's been cleared, so let's read it just to check it. Okay, nothing in here, that's great, and we can go for a ride. Traffic is pretty bad. I can do much more than this. We are at almost 5k. Let's do a bit more. Oh yeah, 6,000. Everyone's got to love this car. Some pools in Mexico, you know the deal. And we are back from test drive. It went well. Car felt same pretty much. Let's go for errors and read memory. And indeed we have ignition problem on cylinder number 1, and that's really good. We now know that it is bad coil, and all we need to do is just order new one, replace it, and we should be good on this code. Right now we know what is our problem with this car. I'm a little surprised that those other 2 codes didn't show up. Maybe it needs a longer test drive. I was, within a couple of kilometers, nothing crazy. Anyways, I will be worried about those later on, once we jump on them. With this, I know that the coil is bad, and I will order one, and then we will replace it, and we should be good.